Namaste everyone, my name is Sonika and today I am going to share homemade, instant, healthy and delicious sweet pasta. Yes, you heard right, it is sweet pasta. As we all know, pasta is a cultural Italian food and it is likely the descendant of ancient Asian noodles. So today we are going to make sweet pasta with Sonika. Yes, so let's start. For making this sweet pasta, we need to make first dough. For making that dough, we need 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, pinch of salt. After mixing this all ingredient, make a dough and keep it aside for 15 minutes. The dough is already prepared. Let's see. It should not be so soft or not hard. It should be medium like this. Okay, then let's see ingredients for making sauce. For that we need 1 glass of milk, some dry fruits, some fruits. Here I took grapes. You can add other fruits also like apple, pomegranate and all. And 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar also here, no. And 4 cloves of cardamom powder. So let's see how to make pasta now. Now let's take this dough and divide it into 3 parts, 3 equal parts. So let's make it. So 1, 2 and 3. Now make it in a round ball, like a round. Now take 1 ball and dip it in wheat flour, dry flour. Sprinkle a little bit and start rolling it like chapati, how we make. Now here, after rolling like chapati, okay, so now this ready. So we can take a cutter. You can take any shape. Here I am taking duck shape cutter. So you can take any like circle, triangle and cut it like this. See how beautiful it looks like. Small. Like this we need to cut and keep it aside. So like this we need to cut it and keep it aside. Repeat this process for whole wheat or how much quantity you need it. So take out all ducks, small ducks. You can see the shape of the duck. Yes, so like this you can cut any shape. So now let's take again 1 more dough ball and roll it again. Sprinkle some wheat flour and repeat the process the same way we did with the first one. Roll it Just start cutting like this. If you don't have any cutter, you can take small bowls. Now this pasta is ready for cook. See how beautiful it is, looking like real duck, small ducks. So the remaining one, if you want, you can make some more pasta, but here for me this much is enough. So I'll take out all pasta in a plate. Don't forget to sprinkle some flour, otherwise it may stick with each other. Now take a pan, switch on the stove and add 1 glass of milk in it. Let the milk boil. When the milk boils, add this pasta into it. So let's wait till milk boil. Here I want to tell you one trick, how to check the pasta is ready or not. So this is not cooked right. So when you touch this pasta, it sticks to your finger. See? It sticks to your finger. So when you add to this boiling milk and wait for 15 minutes and check whether it is sticking or not. If it is not sticking and it is very soft, then the pasta is ready. So now the milk is boiling, you can see. So now I am adding this pasta into it. Slow the stove and add little by little some pasta. And stir continuously. Here we need to add ghee or oil, so the pasta won't stick with each other. So here I am adding olive oil, 2 spoons. So stir it continuously. Don't add sugar here now only, because it may make pasta little hard. So when the pasta completely cooked, then we'll add brown sugar or white sugar. Let it cook for some time, and in between we need to stir like this, otherwise it may stick down. So keep it little slow and close the lid for some time. Let the pasta cook. Now 10 minutes are over. So let's see our pasta is ready or not. So yes, it's ready. Let's check. I'll take one pasta, put it here. See, it's not sticking on my hand and it's very soft also. So now it's time to add sugar. So I'm adding brown sugar here. Add little by little. Here, if you need more sweet, you can add more this brown sugar, or you can skip little sugar here. So I like to eat little less sweet. So I left little sugar here. So now mix. Add some cardamom seeds powder. Mix it well. So flavory. It's very good smell of cardamom powder. So let's wait for some time to mix this all sugar. Now it's look like pasta is ready. So it's time for serve. Let's switch off the stove and I'm going to serve it now. Look at this, so saucy and delicious. It's like mouth-watering. Now add some dry fruits on it. Add some grapes or some other fruits. I'm starving, my friends, by looking at this glorious pasta. I want to taste. So tasty, so delicious. It's like party in my mouth. So friends, we hope you all like this recipe. Please try at home. Thank you.